Hello guys, I've got a lot of questions from you related to NANO68 and MAD68 regarding are they similar, what is different in the structure, can you use aluminum case G65 or not. So today I'm gonna to show you all about structure of this keyboard and how you can mod it. Right now on the screen you can see all parts of these two keyboards, right? This is a NANO68 and this is a MAD68. Let's start from the cases. So for the MAD68, as always, I mean, you know it from the beginning that we have a copy of Wooting 60HE. In this case it's not really copy because this is a 68% or 68 layout, not 60, so it's a little bit different, it's a little bit bigger. In case of Nano, right, this is a copy of MAD68HE, and you have, as a first difference, you have this LED bar, right? Let me show you closer. Right, you see this LED bar, and you have this additional connector to this LED bar for the this back part shine through. And this is like a real first difference because you cannot use this bar anywhere else, only in this case. You can remove this, by the way, and I'm sure this keyboard will work without this bar. Next is a switch plate, right, positioning plate. So this is a Nano, and we have a metal positioning plate with a silicone interim part inside PCB sandwich. From the holes or these points, it's all the same. So this one from Nano and this one from MAD, they are absolutely equal. Let me show you together, right? Or maybe like this. So this is a front part, right? You can see that all holes, everything all the same. And this is a back part. From the back part, it's also all the same, right? Now the most interesting part, PCB itself. So this is a Nano and this is a MAD. From first look, it looks like they are equal, but it's not. And the major difference and why you cannot use a G65 case for NANO68 mechanical keyboard, right, is because of this difference. Let me try to show you closer, right? You see, USB ports are different because of this part on a Nano. Let me show you closer because it's really important to understand. You see, on a MAD we have a short USB-C port, and on a Nano we have this additional part which is going out from the PCB, because otherwise they are also equal. It's no difference, and holes in the same place. So the only difference is this piece, and unfortunately because of this part of NANO68 you cannot use a G65 case. Again, let me show you. This is a G65 aluminum case, and if I will use a MAD, you can see it's easily going inside, no problem whatsoever. But in case of Nano, I cannot insert it. It's just not going inside because of this part of the USB. So basically what we have as a summary, if you want to do a modification of NANO68, you can do only something around this PCB. You can apply this type mode, but again, because it's magnetic switches, you don't have a central hole under the switch, so it will not add any real difference. you can change the positioning plate, right? So instead of this metal one, you can use FR4 or any other nylon or plastic positioning plate, and it will dramatically improve sound quality. And obviously you can use different switches, but switches itself are really good. So my suggestions, because you cannot change case, and case, by the way, not the best, because you have this silicone layer at the end, you have this RGB bar on the back side, and altogether this case are not bad. But anyway, I doubt you will be able to find any other cases because of this part on a PCB, right? This one. So if you want to build your own keyboard from scratch within the budget, I really suggest you just buy a cheapest version of MADLIONS MAD68 or 60, depend what you need. And basically all what you need is this PCB, right? So this piece of of the plate, right? And then you can use whatever you want. You can use different cases, you can use different keycaps, you can use different switches, right? And different materials on top or on a bottom part, and you will get a different sound from the keyboard. Some of you asked me about MAD68 and amount of screws for the plastic case and for the G65. So this is original MAD68 screws, you can see, and this is new screws what is coming together with G65 case. So you don't need to use the original one, you need to use this one. And it's less, let me show you, it less post on inside the case than you have a holes on PCB, but it doesn't matter, it will stay stable on this post what you have inside the case. And guys, don't forget, if you want to see original review of NANO68HE and MAD68HE, just check these videos on my channel.